weren't about chicken feet. It was about chicken feet.
You arranged to meet her.
No, of course.
And then you got chicken feet.
It weren't about. No.
And then you're not bothered telling
No,
her.
no.
At one point, I know, like, any time you come across like,
No.
obviously, you've arranged to meet the girl today. Is there not like at one point before that you thought, hold on a minute?
Of course.
Come across like that in there.
Just saying, you know what I mean? I mean, because just general chit chat. On that particular site, there's so many women from Nigeria saying, oh, getting all friendly and that, spending all night fucking, and all of a sudden they say, oh, blah, blah, well, you know yourself, I know it's chicken feet and sort of thing, getting all friendly and that, spending all night fucking disgusting, mate.
Just gonna go home.
Can I ask what you're doing here, if you don't mind?
Just gonna go home. I was gonna go home. Just gonna go home. I'm gonna go home. No, yeah.
Pardon?
It's not accepted. I'm just about to go home then. As I just started up, I was gonna go home. I was gonna go home. And go home.
But what about all the sexual...
You are both up there. Have you done this before? No.